That's the setup for the D-ring. This backing also takes a hydration clip. We're going to use the D-ring on this, and in order to take it off, what you do is take one side like this and another side up and another side like that, and it slips off. Put it on exactly the same way, and then you can also, this whole assembly can be used on any of these loops along here. Same way, it can be put anywhere from this point on down to this point, and then even down into the lower part of this shoulder strap. Now, let me go over here and get this other vest. And this is one that I've used for a while. Take a look at it. And same thing on this one. This one's the San Carlos. And you can see that there's loops all across here, and you can put this attachment on up here or any of these loops along here, and just like I showed before how to take it off and put it on, works on any of these. Also, something else I want to show you on this vest is this has the lashing straps. And lashing straps, all of the vests have a setup back here on the bird bag where the lashing straps can go. I like to wear them up here. This will go up around my shoulders. That way I can keep the jacket or sweater or whatever it is up around my shoulders other than down here on the bird bag. So either one works.